Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. The weekend is about to get over, and tomorrow the first trading session of this new week is going to start Monday morning, and it's my belief that it's going to be an interesting week. We need to be careful, be cautious, look at the indicators, look at the levels, look at the various possibilities and trade accordingly. It is going to be a little tricky week. It could be an inflection point too, because market has been range bound for too long a period. Normally it is not possible to remain range bound for such a long period in such a developing economy. In India, there are so many things that are happening, but at the moment, the Western interests, the powers and powerful entities are playing their game very, very well. They are managing the index very, very well. That is, whether it is FIIs, DIIs, HNIs, or whoever else, because we are talking of known 2 or 3 or 4 groups, but there are quite a few unknown groups too, uncategorized groups. So there could be different people trying to do this thing. So unless there is some major catalyst, things might, and that major catalyst may not be too far. Whether it comes from any recognized entities like government, or in the past week the way it came from Hindenburg, or before that it came from FIIs, etc., etc. But then there needs to be an interesting or important catalyst to move the market up or down. According to me, market needs to take off very, very, very soon. Bulls need to pull their socks up and do the needful. So take care and have a look at all these indicators. This is important indicators of all Nifty 50 stocks. First page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. Then this is the second page, Divi's Lab to IndusInd Bank. Then this is the third page, Infosys to Reliance. And this is the fourth page, and that makes from Power Grid to Wipro. That takes care of all the indicators, all the Nifty 50 stocks of all most important indicators. Then comes EMAs of all Nifty 50 stocks. You see, under these circumstances, most dependable indicator is EMAs. So because EMAs shows accumulated volume, accumulated the price action over a period of time. So whenever Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any other index, or for that matter any individual stock, when it moves above 5-day moving average, or 10-day moving average, or 20-day moving average, it is showing that there is accumulation going on. Market or that particular stock is planning to go up. The same way, when it starts moving down, when it shows that market is going down. So EMS are very, very, very important thing. So take care, have a look at it. This is the first page of EMS, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is the second page, Divi's Lab to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page of the EMS, Infosys to Reliance. This is the fourth page of the same EMS, SBI Life to Wipro. And this is important Nifty indicators of all Nifty 50 stocks for the past month. Please read this thing as not Nifty 50 stocks, the important indicators of Nifty index. This is the important indicator of Nifty index. Sorry for the goof up. Mm, Take care. Trade absolutely cautiously. Trade with strict stop losses, and take care. Don't forget to watch our videos, subscribe, share, and like our videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.